Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to install applications on the smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon, then select your AMAZFIT Band 7 from the list of devices, and here find the option called App Store and tap on it. And here we have the list of applications we can install on our device. Find the application you want to install, for example, this one dice roller. We can tap on it to select it, and once you select the application, you can tap on install button and wait until the installation process is complete. And once the installation process is complete, you can go to Mine and check. As you can see, we have the installed app right here, and also you can wake up the screen on your smartband. Open the menu by swiping up on the screen and scroll through the menu, and we can look for the icon of the app we installed, and it's right here. We can tap on it to open the app, and we can use it, as you can see. Okay, and of course you can install multiple apps if you want to, and you can check how many apps or which apps are installed right here in the app. And that's how you install applications on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.